So we have to find the derivative. So I guess this is what, like a related rates problem?
Yeah, exactly. To related rates problems, you always want to start with a formula or an equation that relates the variables and then the information, all the information together. What's an equation you can set up then?
I guess theta is equal to, not theta is equal to,
So let's set up a sine function. What goes in the sine?
sine of theta?
Yeah, angle, right? Angle
Yeah,
is
sine
always
of theta,
plugged
yeah.
into.
Yep.
Equals what?
I guess sine of theta is equal to x over 10.
Yeah, okay. All right, yeah, so now we have our equation that relates to variables. Do you know what to do after that?
Do we replace theta with pi over 3?
We can't do that yet because is theta a constant or a variable?
It's a variable.
Yeah, it's a variable because it's changing, right? So
So
if
now,
you plugged in that theta, then you just find that specific x value that goes with it. But what are they asking for?
the rate of change.
Yeah, the rates of change, right? Not just the specific x value that goes with that angle.
So would we multiply by 10 on both sides and then find the derivative of that?
Yeah, you find the derivative.
So I guess cosine of theta is equal to d over dx times x over 10.
Okay, cosine of theta equals what?
Is equal to the derivative of x over 10.
Yeah, 1/10 derivative of x. Dx. What are we differentiating with respect to?
Theta, no x.
Yeah. Well, what does the problem say? Yeah,
theta,
x
yeah,
change with respect to theta, d theta.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Now would we plug in pi over 3?
Where would you plug it in?
Into cosine theta and then
Yeah.
the dx over d theta.
Well, dx. What does dx d theta mean?
It's a change.
Yeah, that's this, right? This was what dx d theta is, which is what we're trying to figure out. So I would say let's solve for this first. What's dx d theta then equal to?
Cosine theta, 10 cosine theta.
Yeah, 10 cosine theta. So this is our derivative function now, and then
Okay,
it's
got it. That
asking
makes
for
sense.
specific rate, a rate at a specific angle. So then what's that going to be?
It'll be pi over 3.
Plug in pi, and what do you get?
10 times cosine pi over 3 is that 3. So it'll be 1/2.
Yeah, times 10 is
5.
yeah. Okay, yeah. And what would the units be for this number?
Feet per second.
Not per second, because how's x changing? X is changing based on what?
I guess feet per degree.
I wouldn't say degree either, because what's theta measured in?
Radians.
Yeah, feet per radian.